One of the biggest mistakes I see hopeful entrepreneurs make is even before they get started. And it's probably the biggest reason many of them never actually get started. And that's getting hung up on the need to have step by step instructions for everything in order to get the business off the ground. They say things like, I could be really successful if someone just told me to do X, Y, Z, or Z, whichever you prefer, because then I know what to do and I do it. Or they see someone else who is ahead of them. Let's say they have a mailing list. So they'd say something like, it's easy for you because you already have a list. What do you do if you don't have a list? Anyway, business is not a cookie cutter. If it were, everyone could instantly be a business tycoon. And sure, within your business, there are specific tasks or software you need to learn, and those usually can be taught step by step, right? But that is not stuff that makes you successful. That's the thing. Those are the things you can find on Google or in the software manual as you happen to need it. Your success depends on your decision-making skills that help you decide what strategies to employ and then what tasks you need to implement those strategies. You simply can't get to learning step by step tasks until you know your strategy. And your strategy depends on your unique business, your own skill sets, the resources you have, really to do with your personality and preferences and your overall goals in business and life. And we're all different, right? And until you start considering those things and learning to leverage them to build your business, because even some of them that feel like limitations, they're actually blessings because they teach you how to do things better. But until you start learning to leverage them, you're going to keep feeling lost. You'll buy course after course promising to teach you a certain skill, but it never works quite how you'd hoped. So most people will tell you what to do, either based on their unique experience and very often just by what they've heard works. I prefer to show you what I do and explain why, and then give you ideas on how it can work for your unique business and needs. That's how you learn entrepreneurship and decision making, not how you learn how to pronounce entrepreneurship. Hey, I did it. But, anyways, you do it by getting deep into the why so you can see how everything works and how it fits in with what you're trying to accomplish with your own unique needs, resources, and goals.